Hello, today we will guide you through how to change your automatic payment method in eBay. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to ebay.com. If you're not already signed in, you may be prompted to do that first so you can access your account options. Once you're on the home page, look toward the top of the screen for your profile icon. On some layouts, it appears near the left side. Click that profile area to open your account menu. From the menu, choose Account Settings. This takes you to the main hub for your personal details, security, and how you pay for fees and purchases. In the account menu, select Payments. This is where eBay manages your wallet, save cards, and the methods used for automatic charges such as selling fees or subscriptions. Inside Payments, locate the Wallet section and choose Add Credit or Debit Card. You'll see a secure form where you can add a new card that will be available for automatic payments. Have your card handy so you can enter the details accurately. Type in the card number exactly as it appears on the card. Add the expiration date and the security code. For most cards, it's on the back, while some display it on the front. Make sure the name on the card matches what's printed on it, and confirm that the billing address you enter is the one your bank has on file. Mismatched addresses are a common reason cards fail to save. If you see any formatting hints in the fields, follow them. The page may automatically handle spaces or dashes in the number. Once done, take a moment to review everything for typos. Even a single incorrect digit will prevent the card from being added. If any field shows an error, correct it before proceeding. When everything looks right, click Add. The system will process the information, and you should see the new card appear in your wallet. Depending on your account, eBay may also prompt you to confirm that this card will be used for automatic payments. Simply follow the on-screen confirmation if it appears. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Use a secure network when entering payment details. Double-check the postal code and house number in the billing address, and ensure the card is active with your bank. If the Add button is grayed out, scroll back up to look for any fields marked as required. That's it. You've navigated to your account, opened payments, added your card details, and saved the new method so it can be used automatically on eBay.